Prove that the diagonals of a rectangle ABCD with vertices. So here rectangle is given. We need to prove that diagonals bisect each other. So A with vertices A 2 comma minus 1, B 5 comma minus 1, C 5 comma 6, and D 2 comma 6. So these all are the values A, B, C, D are given here. So we need to prove that diagonals bisect each other. So to prove diagonals bisect each other, we need to prove midpoints of the diagonals are equal. Midpoint of A 2 comma minus 1, C 5 comma 6 equals midpoint of B 5 comma minus 1, D 2 comma 6. Here x1 y1, x2 y2, x1 y1, x2 y2. And now the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So if I use this formula, I will prove that midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So we can say if their midpoints are same, then we can say diagonals are bisecting each other. Means at the same point they should get bisected. Then midpoint of AC should be equal to BD. Now I'll do here midpoint of AC. x1 is 2, x2 is 5 by 2, y1 is minus 1, y2 is 6 by 2. Here 5, x1 is 5, x2 is 2 by 2, y1 is minus 1, y2 is 6 by 2. So if you'll observe here, 2 plus 5, 7 by 2, minus 1 plus 6 is 5 by 2 equals 7 by 2 comma 5 by 2. So clearly midpoint of AC equals midpoint of BD. Therefore, we can conclude that diagonals bisect each other.